How to change email address in Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address in Facebook. In order to do so, first of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon with the 3 horizontal bars on it. Simply tap on this icon and then in this page, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. Now in this page, tap on this see more in account center option right here. And then in this page here, you'll need to look for personal details option. Simply tap on this personal details under account settings. And now here, tap on the contact info option. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to select the email address that you'd like to delete. Tap on the email address and here select your Facebook account. After that, here you'll be able to see delete from Facebook option. Simply tap on it and a pop-up will appear. Here it says you'll no longer be able to use this email address in order to log in, reset and receive notification. If you agree with that, tap on the delete option in order to delete this email address. Now you will receive a confirmation code in your current email address. You will need to wait for it and once you receive it, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on the continue button right here. By doing so, you will see you have successfully deleted your current email address. Tap on the close button at the very bottom and now here tap on the add new contact button at the very bottom in order to add a new email. Once you tap on it, here you will need to select add email address option and then enter a new email address here. Tap on the email box and enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address here, you will need to select your Facebook account. Tap on the checkbox at the right side of your Facebook account and then tap on the next button below. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your new email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive it, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on the next button right here. And after that, you will see you have successfully changed or updated your email address in Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.